Hello my angels, I hope you are all doing well. I have missed filming so much. So the next package I have here is from Stylevana. They are always so kind to me and send me the latest and greatest in Korean beauty and skincare, and this is no exception. So I want to show you a few items they sent over. Is this AC SOS AH BHA PHA 30 Days Miracle AC SOS Kit. Ooh, that's a long name. Now I actually did try something from this set already. I tried the cleanser and really liked it. Now, these all contain tea tree. Tea tree has always worked so well for my skin, so I'm sure these will be fantastic. I did try the cleanser and really like it. So you do get a cleanser, a toner, a miracle serum, and a miracle cream as well. Once again, you could break these up and use them as stocking stuffers or gift the whole thing to someone. Another item Stylevana sent over is the Moonshot Micro Correctfit Cushion. Now, I love the packaging on this, and just wait until you see the actual compact. It is stunning. So it has this sparkle galaxy kind of look to it. This is a cushion foundation, and it is in the shade 201. We definitely are going to have to do a testing Korean makeup video again. I did do one a few months ago, but I think we are well overdue for another one. So this is what the cushion foundation looks like here. Cushion foundations are very, very popular with Korean beauty, and they usually work pretty well on my skin, so I'm excited to try this one out. There are still more goodies in here. Thank you so much, Stylevana. So they also sent over this one-shot eye palette from CHICA y CHICO. Super cute packaging. I always love the packaging, and it actually matches my nails. Look at those beautiful shades. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see me do a full face testing Korean makeup video once again. I would love to do that. They also sent over this cute little lip gloss here. This is the Moonlight lip gloss, and it kind of has an ombre effect with glitter as well. Super cute. And the last item that they sent over is the Bare Lips Want You. This is a lipstick in this gorgeous red shade here. And of course, I will leave all these products linked down below. Okay, my loves, so that is the end of this PR haul. And on that note, thank you so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.